why today very hot. I won't go outside to play, but outside every hot also. Now how to do?
Hey, Clinter. Go outside to play.
But outside very hot.
This okay, we go drink ice water.
Yay! Okay, go now, because I'm very hot.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, so very hot.
Go now, you in here, you never hot. Hello, for me iced water please. 2 water and 1 cake strawberry.
Okay, please sit down. And waiting.
Go, crazy dog. I don't see you more. Go away from me.
What happened to a dog? Why him so sad? Okay, I bring him go to the house. Hey Kenny, I see a dog I can bring to the house.
Wow, Ken, I like dog.
Okay, later bring him for him eat.
Here, your water and cake.
Oh
yay,
yay,
thank you so
much.
Bye.
Yummy. Okay, done, let's go home. Your cake cooking yummy.
Oh, thank you, please come back.
Every day I come here.
Thank you so much.
Oh wow, a dog so cute.
Yeah, the dog cute, right?
Now him name is Tiny.
Wow, name nice and cute.